Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raka Adiputra at Pancasila University, English Education Study Program, Semester 3. In this video, I will present material about perfect and perfect progressive to fulfill my final semester assignment in grammar course. Okay, next. In this PowerPoint, present perfect progressive, past perfect, and past perfect progressive. Present perfect. The present perfect is used to indicate link between the present and the past. The time of the action is before no but no specific. Positive, subject plus have or has plus verb 3. Example, they have lived in Jakarta for a long time. He has learned English for 1 year. Gunakan have untuk subjek I, you, we, they. Gunakan has untuk subjek he, she, and it. Negatif, subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3. Example, they have not lived in Jakarta for a long time. He has not learned English for 1 year. Untuk subjek I, you, we, they, gunakan have not atau haven't. Untuk subjek he, she, and it, gunakan has not atau hasn't. Okay, next. Present perfect. Interrogative. Have or has plus subject plus verb 3. Example, have they lived in Jakarta for a long time? Has he learned English for 1 year? Gunakan have untuk subjek I, you, we, they. Gunakan has untuk subjek he, she, it. Adverbs or tense signal what usually used to express the present perfect tense. Yet, already, just, ever, and never. Okay, next. Present perfect progressive. The present perfect continuous tense, also known as the present perfect progressive tense, indicates that something starts in the past and continues in the present. The present perfect continuous is formed using the construction has or have been plus present participle ought plus ing. In these sentences, using the present perfect continuous verb tense conveys that reading War and Peace is an activity that began sometime in the past and has not been complete in the present, which is understandable in this case, given the length of Tolstoy's wake Tom. Recently and recently, these are words that we often encounter with verbs in the present perfect continuous tense. Of course, not all verbs are suitable for continuous action. Some examples of these verbs are to be, to arrive, and to have. Example, Mia has been competing in a flute competition recently, and he will continue to do so. I haven't been feeling well lately, and I'm still sick now. And have you looked at my wallet and cash recently? Because I sure don't know where they are. Okay, next. Past perfect. Past perfect, one of the four forms of the past tense. It is used for action that start and finish in the past before another action start. That other action all occurred in the past. Sentences pattern: plus subject plus had plus verb 3. Negative: subject plus had plus not plus verb 3. Interrogative: had plus subject plus verb 3. Example: positive: they had played. Negative: they had not played. Interrogative: had they played. Forming the past participle regular verbs. If it's a regular verb, it is formed like this: add ed to most verbs. Jump, to jumped. Paint, to painted. If a verb of one syllable ends consonant T vowel consonant, double the final consonant and add ed. Chat or chat to chatted, stop it stopped. If the final consonant is W, X, or Y, don't double it. Save or to save it, play to play it, fix to fix. Okay, next. Past perfect progressive. Past perfect progressive, also known as past perfect progressive, used when we talk about an action which start happening in the past and continue to happen until another action begins. The pattern in making a past perfect progressive statement is subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. Example: the meeting had been starting when she arrived. Verbs ending in "un", left, make, close, web, etc. Drop e. I had been living there for quite some time. He had been making a lot of noise. They had been sweeping the floor for over an hour. Positive: subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. Example: my brother had been working in America. Negative: subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing. Example: my brother had not been working in America. Interrogative: had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Example: had my brother been working in America. Mungkin hanya itu yang bisa dapat saya sampaikan. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.